another 5 kilometers run. And this time, guess what? I broke my record. The first one I did it in 34 minutes, 31 seconds. But this time, can you guess? Just watch your screen. I did 32 minutes, 11 seconds. So I gained more than 2 minutes of my run. And what will it profit me if I don't share the motivational tips or what helped me to attain this? The first thing is, don't limit yourself. Tell yourself, body, do you know what? I would like to see what you can do. So don't limit yourself, because the first thing is starts in the mind. If you're defeated in your mind or limited in your mind, that's just what you're going to execute. The second thing I do is I set targets as I run. If there's somebody in front of me, I tell myself, you know what, you need to run past that person, perhaps before the person gets to an electric pole which is further ahead of the person. So with that, I put in more effort and I try to get there. The third thing I tell myself is, you know what, last time you covered a 34 minutes, 31 seconds run. So this time you need to do less than that, or you don't need to go past that. So with that in mind, I say, okay, you did it last time, that means you can do it again. And that keeps me motivated. And another thing that helps me get motivated or to increase my pace is, when I start running, I have a fitness tracker and I'll put it in my waist bag. But at a certain point, when I pick it up and then I see my pace, I just hold it in my hands, and then I'm actually observing, the way the seconds and the kilometers are changing. And then I start telling myself, you know what, try so that maybe every 1 second or 2 seconds you can cover at least a 1 meter distance. So I keep running and looking at it, and it actually helps me increase my pace and make me to cover a longer distance in a shorter time. So I just hope this motivational tips actually help somebody. You can apply it while walking as well. If you're doing walking, you can improve to fast walk while incorporating those tips. I'm sure it's really going to help you, and it's going to make you feel very much achieved, and the win is going to be yours. So if you're not following the best 5 kilometers run with Coach Yaje, I'll still put the link in the description section so you can get the details. On that note, I thought it wise to stop by and encourage somebody as usual, because that's the essence of this platform. Health Sammy YouTube channel, a platform where we encourage each other on how to make healthier choices through fitness and nutrition. If you're actually new to this channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and thank you for all your subscriptions. So if you're new, do well to equally subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you receive updates on new videos instantly. Thank you for always stopping by. Love you all. We keep being connected. Stay safe, and see you in my next video.